Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're dealing with stubborn stains, pet messes, or just want an easier way to keep your carpets fresh, this video's for you. Today, we're taking a look at the top 5 best portable carpet shampooers, carefully selected for their cleaning power, portability, ease of use, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's dive right in. Number 1. Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. Looking for serious cleaning muscle? The Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner packs twice the suction of most competitors on the market today. What really makes it stand out is the motorized dual-action brush system. It scrubs and lifts simultaneously, working together to tackle everything from pet stains to wine spills without breaking a sweat. The brush design is precise enough to handle stubborn spots, but gentle enough for delicate fabrics. The lightweight frame won't tire your arms during extended cleaning sessions, and the wheels roll smoothly across any room in your home. One big advantage that users consistently mention is the generous tank capacity. It handles carpets, upholstered furniture, car interiors, boat seating, and much more. Whether you're spot treating a small accident or refreshing an entire room, this machine delivers the kind of results you'd expect from professional equipment, but in a size you can actually store at home without taking up half your closet. The retractable handle adds to its practicality for storage and transport. Number 2. Vacmaster SCB301 Spot Cleaner. The Vacmaster SCB301 takes a no-fuss, straightforward approach to stain removal that many people appreciate. It's built for speed, practicality, and consistent performance across different cleaning tasks. The 6-foot hose reaches those annoying tight corners, under furniture and car seats without requiring you to move the main unit constantly or stretch uncomfortably. Setup and cleanup are refreshingly simple and intuitive. Grab it from storage, use it, and put it away. The included attachments and accessories keep maintenance straightforward and extend the overall lifespan of the unit. The starter bottle of cleaning solution lets you test drive the machine immediately upon purchase, so you don't need to buy additional supplies right away, fitting neatly into closets, cabinets, or under sinks. If you need reliable performance without unnecessary bells and whistles that complicate operation, the lightweight construction makes it comfortable to carry from room to room or load into a vehicle for cleaning jobs elsewhere. Number 3. MUJERBAY Upholstery Carpet Cleaner. The MUJERBAY brings real versatility to spot cleaning that sets it apart from basic models. Its combination of spray pressure and powerful suction means you're not limited to surface-level cleaning. It pulls moisture and deep dirt from within carpet and upholstery fibers where bacteria and odors hide. The 360-degree wheels let you pivot smoothly and position the machine exactly where you need it without repositioning your entire body constantly. Hose length and power cord reach make this unit flexible for multi-room jobs and larger homes, preventing contamination and making each cleaning session more hygienic and effective. Those specialty attachments, the brush combination head and angled water nozzle, give you options for different surfaces, textures, and those really stubborn spots that need targeted treatment. The high-pressure spray combined with strong suction creates a cleaning action that removes both visible and hidden dirt. Altogether, this machine punches above its weight class in terms of features, capability, and value for the price point. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER BHS B320JP. Cordless convenience meets serious cleaning power with the BLACK+DECKER BHS B320JP. The battery indicator keeps you informed of remaining charge, so you'll never experience surprise power drops mid-job. The 3-step process is genuinely intuitive and easy to remember. Vacuum up debris, spray and scrub the area, then collect the dirty water. Everything breaks down for washing. The collection bowl and nozzle head go right in the dishwasher, making cleanup faster than traditional machines. Speed matters in the real world, and you'll see visible results within seconds on most common household messes. The ergonomic design feels natural in your hand during extended use sessions without causing hand fatigue or strain. Storage takes minimal space in your home compared to full-size machines. This model deserves serious consideration. It's the kind of practical tool that doesn't force you to learn complicated procedures or maintain complex mechanical systems that break down frequently. Number 5. Hausmeister P005C. The Hausmeister P005C punches hard for its size and price range. The 500-watt motor generates impressive suction that extracts embedded dirt most portable units would miss entirely. 2 bonus brushes expand your options significantly when tackling different surfaces, from delicate upholstery to heavy carpet. The tank setup, 500 milliliters for fresh water and 800 milliliters for dirty water, lets you work longer between refills, improving efficiency. That 16.4-foot power cord gives real flexibility throughout your home without constant repositioning. One important consideration: pre-vacuuming your carpets helps this unit perform at its absolute best. Also, stick with low-foam cleaning solutions to maintain optimal suction performance and prevent clogging. This is the machine for people who take their stains seriously and want professional-grade power in portable form. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best portable carpet shampooers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.